In today's video, we are going to explore how to use AI tools to make money online. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way people work, create, and build businesses in the digital world. If you have ever wondered how to turn AI into a source of income, this video will give you a complete roadmap. We will break down the best AI tools, their uses, and practical ways you can monetize them. Stay tuned until the end because we are sharing proven tips that beginners and professionals can use today. The internet has made it easier than ever to earn money without leaving your home. Now with AI, those opportunities are multiplying faster than ever. You no longer need to be a programmer or a tech expert to benefit from AI. Anyone with a computer, an internet connection, and creativity can use AI to generate real income. In this video, we will cover different categories of AI tools and how you can make the most out of them. We will talk about AI writing tools, AI design tools, AI video editing tools, AI voiceover tools, and AI automation platforms. Each of these categories can open doors to freelancing, side hustles, and even full-time businesses. Let's start with AI writing tools. AI writing platforms like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can help you create blogs, articles, ad copies, product descriptions, and more. Content creation is one of the highest demand skills online. Businesses are always looking for writers who can deliver high-quality content fast. By using AI writing tools, you can take on more projects, finish them quickly, and earn more money. Many freelancers today are using AI writing platforms to scale their writing businesses. Another way to make money with AI writing tools is by starting your own blog. You can use AI to generate ideas, write engaging posts, and optimize them for SEO. Once your blog starts getting traffic, you can monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. AI makes the process faster and easier, even for beginners. Next, let's talk about AI design tools. Graphic design has always been a profitable field, but it requires skills and creativity. AI design platforms like Canva AI, Midjourney, and Dollmiddle.e are changing the game. These tools allow you to create logos, social media graphics, presentations, and unique artwork in minutes. Freelancers are using AI design tools to deliver high-quality projects to clients on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You can also use AI designs to build your own online store by selling digital downloads such as templates, posters, and social media packs. Another growing opportunity is selling AI-generated art as NFTs or prints. This is a perfect example of turning AI creativity into income. Moving on to AI video editing tools. Video content is booming across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Editing videos is time-consuming and requires skill, but AI tools are simplifying the process. Platforms like Pictory AI, Synthesia, and Runway AI allow you to create and edit videos faster than ever. With these tools, you can generate scripts, turn text into videos, and even create lifelike avatars to deliver presentations. Freelancers are making money by offering AI-powered video editing services to businesses and influencers. Another way is to start your own YouTube channel and use AI to produce consistent content. Now let's discuss AI voiceover tools. AI voices have improved dramatically and now sound almost identical to real human voices. Tools like Murph AI, Play.height, and 11 Labs allow you to generate professional quality voiceovers. These can be used for YouTube videos, online courses, podcasts, audiobooks, and advertisements. You can offer AI voiceover services to clients and earn money without ever recording your own voice. Another opportunity is to create your own audiobook or podcast using AI-generated voiceovers. This allows you to enter industries that previously required expensive equipment or voice talent. AI automation platforms like Zapier, Make, and AI chatbots can save businesses time and money. By learning how to set up automations, you can offer services such as customer support bots, lead generation systems, and workflow automations. You can even use AI automation for your own online business, allowing you to scale faster while working less. Apart from freelancing and services, AI tools also open doors to digital product creation. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, and guides with the help of AI. Once these products are ready, you can sell them repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. This creates passive income streams where you earn money even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is another great way to use AI tools for income. AI can help you research products, generate content, and optimize your marketing campaigns. You can use AI writing and design tools to create blogs, social media posts, and promotional materials for affiliate products. With proper SEO and marketing, you can earn commissions from every sale made through your affiliate links. AI can also help you in e-commerce. If you run an online store, AI tools can help with product descriptions, ad creation, and customer support. AI chatbots can answer customer queries, while AI-driven analytics can help you find winning products. This allows you to scale your e-commerce store with less manual work and higher efficiency. Social media management is another profitable area where AI tools are making an impact. AI platforms can help schedule posts, analyze engagement, and even generate captions. Businesses are always looking for social media managers who can deliver consistent results. By combining AI with your management services, you can save time and deliver better performance for clients. This increases your earning potential and sets you apart from the competition. The beauty of AI is that it gives you leverage. Instead of spending hours on one task, you can let AI handle it while you focus on strategy and creativity. This means you can serve more clients, launch more projects, and increase your income faster. Before you dive into using AI tools, remember one important thing. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and judgment. To succeed, you need to combine AI with your unique skills and ideas. The people who make the most money with AI are those who know how to use it smartly. If you are a beginner, start with one area that excites you the most. It could be writing, design, video editing, or automation. Master that field using AI tools and then expand into other areas. With consistency and effort, you will see real results. As AI technology continues to improve, more opportunities will appear. The earlier you start, the more advantage you will have over others. So take action today, pick an AI tool, and start using it to build your online income. Thank you for watching this video on how to use AI tools to make money online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content about finance, online earning, and digital success. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. We are committed to bringing you strategies that can help you grow and achieve financial freedom. Share this video with friends and family who want to learn how AI can change their future. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will dive deeper into AI strategies, online earning methods, and financial growth hacks. Remember, success comes to those who take action. So start today and let AI become your partner in building wealth online. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.